In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate merges in Zoho Writer. If you use document merges to generate letters, invoices, or reports from a data source, automating them can save you a lot of time and ensure they run exactly when you need. Before we begin, make sure you already have a merge template set up in Zoho Writer and connected to your data, whether that's a spreadsheet, Zoho CRM, or another supported source. With that ready, open your merge template in Zoho Writer so we can turn on scheduling. Once your template is open, look toward the top left of the screen for the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu. From there, go to Automate, then choose When to Merge. This panel is the control center for deciding what should trigger your merge, and it's where we'll set a time-based schedule so it runs automatically without you having to click anything later. Inside the When to Merge area, select On Schedule. This option is designed for hands-off, time-based runs, perfect for end-of-day summaries, weekly reports, or any merge that should happen at a precise time. Choosing On Schedule tells Zoho Writer to watch the clock and start the merge for you. Next, pick the date and time you want the merge to run automatically. Take a moment to confirm the time zone shown in this window matches your working time zone, especially if your team is distributed. It's a good idea to schedule the merge with enough lead time for your data source to be up to date. If your CRM or sheet updates at the top of the hour, plan your merge a few minutes after that. Also, consider off-peak times if your organization has high traffic periods. When you're confident about the timing, click Schedule. This saves your settings and activates the schedule. From now on, at the date and time you selected, Zoho Writer will run the merge using the template and data connections you already configured. You don't need to keep the document open. The automation will run in the background. If you ever need to adjust the time later, you can come back to the same When to Merge panel and update it. That's all you need to do. To recap, open your merge template, go to the hamburger menu, choose Automate, then When to Merge, select On Schedule, pick your date and time, and click Schedule. With this in place, your documents will generate right on time, consistently and without manual effort.